Join me as I challenge myself to experience every single luxury the Venetian Las Vegas has to offer in just one day. The Venetian Las Vegas is a premier luxury destination that's truly in a league of its own. From the moment you step foot into this opulent resort, you'll be surrounded by stunning architecture, exquisite decor, and unparalleled service. With its unique blend of European flair and modern luxury, the Venetian is the epitome of sophistication and elegance. With so many incredible luxury hotels in Las Vegas, it can be tough to choose the right one for your getaway. You want a place that's going to make you feel like royalty, but also offer a unique and unforgettable experience. That's where the Venetian stands out from the competition. This resort has mastered the art of luxury, and I'm excited to share with you why it's the ultimate destination for anyone looking to indulge in the finer things in life. One of the biggest challenges people face when booking a luxury hotel is figuring out what sets it apart from the rest. Is it the luxurious amenities, the exquisite dining options, or the stunning decor? For the Venetian, it's all of the above and so much more. This resort has carefully curated every detail to create an experience that's truly unforgettable. From the moment you check in, you'll be treated like a VIP. The staff is attentive, knowledgeable, and dedicated to making your stay nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're looking to relax in style or indulge in some retail therapy, the Venetian has got you covered. Imagine waking up in a stunning suite that's been meticulously designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and luxury. The Venetian suites are truly breathtaking, with opulent decor, lavish amenities, and unparalleled views of the Las Vegas Strip. It's the perfect place to unwind and recharge after a long day of exploring the city. The Venetian is also renowned for its incredible fine dining options. From celebrity chef restaurants to intimate, upscale eateries, you'll find a culinary experience that's tailored to your every whim. And let's not forget about the iconic gondola rides, which offer a unique and romantic way to experience the beauty of the Venetian. As I made my way to the rooftop pool, I was blown away by the breathtaking views of the Strip. It was the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun, and the attentive staff made sure I had everything I needed to make the most of my experience. But the ultimate luxury experience at the Venetian is definitely the private cabana experience. Imagine having your own private oasis, complete with lavish amenities and personalized service. It's the epitome of luxury and the perfect way to unwind in style. As I explored the luxurious amenities and attractions at the Venetian, I was struck by the incredible attention to detail that sets this resort apart from the rest. From the lavish decor to the impeccable service, every detail has been carefully curated to create an experience that's truly unforgettable. And then, there's the moment that takes your breath away, the moment when you realize you're living the ultimate luxury experience. That moment for me was when I stepped out onto the balcony of my suite and was greeted by the most breathtaking view of the Strip. It was a moment that I'll never forget, and it's the kind of experience that the Venetian is designed to deliver. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just looking to indulge in the finer things in life, this resort has something for everyone. The Venetian Las Vegas is a must-visit destination for anyone who appreciates the finer things in life. From its stunning suites to its incredible fine dining options, this resort has mastered the art of luxury and offers an experience that's truly unforgettable.
Venetian style. This is Little Italy. So the sky you're seeing up there is not real.
Almost.
Yeah, close.
We still have time for another song. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's
Hang on, let me start
Oh,
recording.
okay.
I want to record you.
Oh, just stay seated, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay seated, but I don't like the seatbelt.
Oh, we have to have the seatbelt.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sorry. They get me in trouble for that. Yes, sorry.
all ready.
Okay.
Ready?
So good? Okay.
Yes.
The Venetian Resort in Las Vegas offers a luxurious gambling experience with a wide variety of games. You can find classic table games like blackjack, poker, and roulette, as well as a large selection of slot machines. The casino's design mimics the ambience of Venice, creating an elegant atmosphere for players. In addition to traditional gambling, the Venetian features a poker room that's popular among both casual players and serious competitors. There are also high-limit areas for those looking for a more exclusive experience.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
Here not just focused on gambling, the resort offers numerous dining options, entertainment, and shopping, making it a well-rounded destination. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or just looking to have some fun, the Venetian has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey as I explored the ultimate luxury experience at the Venetian Las Vegas. If you've stayed at the Venetian, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you're looking for more luxury hotel reviews, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be showcasing some of the best luxury hotels in Las Vegas.